Hello my dear students. Today we are going to do chapter number 9, Adjectives. In this video we will learn what are adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So let us start the video with the definition. What is adjective? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color, etc. person, places, animals and things are. Now let us see few examples. Example number 1. Anu likes spicy food. So here spicy is the adjective. What kind of food? Spicy food. Spicy tells us more about food. Number 2. I gave her a red rose. Rose of what color? Red. So here red is adjective. It tells us the quality of rose. Number 3. Alok won 3 prizes. How many prizes? 3 prizes. Here 3 is our adjectives. And it tells us about the number of prizes. Now next thing, we must understand that adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they describe, but sometimes they may be placed after the nouns as well. See the example number 1 here. We found an empty room. Here room is our noun and empty is adjective. So we have used adjective before the noun. Next sentence. The room was empty. Here room is noun and empty is adjective. In this sentence, we have used the adjective after noun. So noun is room here and adjective is empty, and we have used the adjective after noun. Now let us discuss about kinds of adjectives. Number 1. Adjectives of quality. Look at the sentences. Number 1. Suman is wearing a new dress. So what kind of dress Suman is wearing? What is the quality of that dress? That the dress is new. Here new is our adjectives of quality. It tells us about the quality of dress. Number 2. Grandmother told us a funny story. So what kind of a story? Funny story. Number 3. Ritu's hair is curly. What kind of hair? Curly hair. In these sentences, the words new, funny and curly, they are adjectives. The adjective new tells us what kind of dress Suman is wearing. The adjective funny tells us what kind of a story grandmother told. And the adjective curly tells us what kind of hair Ritu has. Our next topic is adjectives of quantity. Look at these sentences. Anshu gave the poor man some food. How much food? Some food. I have much work to do. Ajay has enough money to buy a pen. In these sentences, the word some, much, and enough are adjectives. The adjective some tells us how much food Ansu gave the poor man. The adjective much tells us how much work I have to do. And the adjective enough tells us how much money Ajay has. Here one thing you have to remember, boys, that adjectives of quantity we only use with uncountable noun. See the example number 1. Here food is noun and this is uncountable noun. Here work is noun. This is also uncountable noun. Here money is noun and this is uncountable noun. So we have used the adjective some for food, work, much for work, and enough for money. Okay. Next is, let us see the definition. An adjective tells us that how much of a thing is meant, is called an adjective of quantity. Next topic is adjectives of number. Look at these sentences. The spider has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. Renu has many toys. How many toys? Many toys. Vivek gave me all his books. How many books? All books. So in these sentences, the words 8, many, and all are adjectives. The adjective 8 tells us how many legs the spider has. The adjective many tells us how many toys Renu has. The adjective all tells us how many books Vivek gave me. So 8, many, and all are adjectives of number. It tells us about the number of noun. An adjective of number answers the question how many. Now let us see the definition. An adjective which tells us how many persons or things are meant is called an adjective of number. So my dear students, today that's all for today in this video. In our next video, I'm going to explain you what is interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and possessive adjective. Thank you for watching this video.